Hey, what's up, fellas? It's your boy Gaz coming at you again with another Menlo Club unboxing. And for the first time ever, we got some fresh kicks. So with me, I got the all new New Republic white sneaks, aka the Kurt sneakers. So pretty much this is how it came. It just came with a clear white bag around it. Usually comes with this protective black bag, but I guess the box was too big for it. I mean, as long as the shoes are good, that's all that matters. And for those of you unfamiliar with Menlo Club and New Republic, Menlo Club is a men's fashion monthly subscription where you pay about $60 a month and you get a package full of clothes and now some fresh kicks. And New Republic's usually designed by Mark Berneri. He is a high-end fashion designer. And also New Republic is pretty much owned from the same guys that own the Menlo Club. And if you want to know a little bit more about it, I have everything you need to know on the description down below with a special discount code to get your first package for $20. So with that being said, let's get back with this white sneak that they have me all hyped about since they've been hyping it up all month long. And let's see what the fudge is all about. So here it is. This is how it comes. You usually have to open it from the side, I believe. Wow. So it comes in a nice protective bag. And so far, so good. Beautiful. Okay. So let's get this out of the way. It actually has suede inside. Wow. I never seen some white sneaks with suede interior. That's pretty sweet. So it's a full grain leather upper with suede interior and white shoelaces. And wow, very nice design. You won't believe how well these sneaks are designed. Alright, so with the next shoe, here it is. So here's the next shoe. Wow, so far so good. I'm actually happy with the white kicks. Not disappointed. And it also comes with some no-show socks, so you can rock out your new white kicks. So you never own some white kicks. They actually throw in some no-show socks to encourage you to try them on for the first time, and you're gonna see how sweet it really looks when you're rocking them out. So I'm really loving these new kicks, and since I've been enjoying them so much, I'm actually gonna give you 2 ways to rock this cool sneaks out. So with that being said, let's go. that's pretty much it. If you enjoyed everything I was wearing, it's all from the Menlo Club. It's all clothes that I have received from my previous package. And if you want to get your first package for $20, just remember to use the link at the description. And like always, it's your boy Gabs. I'll see you next time.